Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make easy pesto pasta. We'll start by gathering a few simple, fresh ingredients. Then, I'll guide you through creating a delicious, vibrant pesto from scratch. Next, we'll perfectly cook your favorite pasta. Finally, we'll combine everything for a quick and satisfying meal that's ready in under 30 minutes. This guide will help you master a classic dish with minimal effort, perfect for any weeknight. Now let's craft that amazing pesto. First, gently toast about 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan until golden and fragrant. This step truly deepens their flavor. Next, in a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and the toasted pine nuts. Add 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. While blending, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil until smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Next up, let's get your pasta just right. Fill a large pot with about 4 quarts of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add a generous pinch of salt, then introduce 12 ounces of your chosen pasta shape. Cook according to package directions, usually for 8 to 10 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente tender but still firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to scoop out and reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret weapon for a silky sauce. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked, drain it well, but don't rinse it. Immediately transfer the warm pasta to a large bowl and add your freshly made pesto. Toss everything gently until the pasta is evenly coated. If the sauce seems a little thick, gradually add a tablespoon or 2 of that reserved pasta water until you reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan and a few fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pesto pasta.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.